Are you aiming to get into the top B schools in India? Are you still trying to figure out your CAT preparation? Introducing Hitbullseye's CAT Crash Course. Whether you're starting now or you're stuck in a particular percentile range, this course is for you. The most engaging live classes with 2+2 teaching methodology. A learning ecosystem with pre- and post-class assignment. Get access to more than 100 CAT mocks curated by subject experts, IIM alumni, and CAT toppers. We also have the most extensive AI-based test analytics, which will help you improve your score in the tests in future. All this right in your palm. We have mentored more than 2 lakh CAT aspirants and produced numerous CAT and other MBA entrance exam toppers. What are you waiting for? Up your game with Hitbullseye. Click the link below for special offers on the course. Time is running out. Make it to your dream B school with the leader in test prep. Hitbullseye.